Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today I show you how I created this look. There's another video in German, the same thing, just explained in German. You know this look from this guy and maybe some Instagrammers. It's inspired by him and he's inspired by someone else. And yeah, blank canvas, because 2018 is a new year and you should create that year however you want, painted on the blank canvas like a new picture. So I hope you enjoy this look. Thank you for watching, and leave thumbs up and comments down below what you think, and follow me on my socials at shopdidoop, and thank you. Have fun. We are starting with an eyeshadow base and a light blue eyeshadow, and darken this one up with more blue shadows. Product information is in my Instagram post. And we blend it all good out on the whole lid. Then I create a cut crease halfway through the eyelid and blend that one in with a beauty blender and smudge the edges out with the same brush I used the blue with, so it's a smooth blended thing. I tap some highlighter over it from the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and now I cut out an eyeliner basically, and I go over this one with some white eyeshadow, the same highlighter tone, and then glitter glue, put some white violetish glitter over the whole thing, and on the inner corner and the upper lines of that eyeliner I put some blue glitter, so it's more fancy kind of. Then I go in with a black eyeliner and just do a really small line there. Now the rest is makeup. You only have to do half your face because the other half will be painted white. So here I use a concealer from Tarte and a little bit contouring. Also highlighting, big point. And now I'm painting on a white line in half of my face and fill the whole part to the down with white paint. And now I'm dripping some foundation over it, so it looks like my face would like drip into the white part. And with a brush I like draw it a little bit more down and blend it into my face. That looks like that, and then we're done. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you see you in the next. Bye.